Drive it is hard. It's just straight.
It's straight
and it's
and
dark,
one exit.
and you're just gonna fall asleep. So you too.
All right.
Hey, just out of curiosity.
You too, man. Thank
You
you.
can put that video on YouTube.
No.
I'd appreciate it if you're not. I won't put
I'm
mine
not.
on YouTube. All right.
I'm not. You know, I appreciate you.
You're free to record. I just.
Yeah, I just.
Yeah. No. Yeah. It's just.
How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to Audit the Law. On this channel, we bring you videos of police interactions, highlighting why it is important for you folks out there to know and understand the rights that you have. This particular video comes to us by the way of this channel here named Bryant Bethune, who was stopped and pulled over by the Albemarle County Police Department in the city of Charlottesville, Virginia. The reason they gave this man for pulling him over was for something that has no law or traffic infraction behind it, which would make this a retaliatory traffic stop, as well as a Fourth Amendment violation. Because, folks, let's not forget that the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution was written to protect us from unlawful searches and seizures. The cop in this video says he wants to make sure he isn't intoxicated for swerving on the white lines on a dark road in the middle of the night. This is just what cops will say to you in order to run you through their system and get your information. Because we all know that without probable cause or reasonable articulable suspicion that you have committed a crime, cops are legally not required to obtain your information. I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I'll go and see you guys at the end of the video.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. I'm Officer Sheller with the Albemarle County Police Department.
Yes, sir. How you
The
doing?
reason I stopped you tonight is because you've been hitting the line several times. I want to make sure you weren't intoxicated.
No, sir, I'm not.
You haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No, sir. Just go talk about it. I think I seen you. Weren't you at the light?
I've been all around the area all night long.
Yeah, I think I seen you at the light earlier when I pulled up at the gas station tonight.
Gotcha. This is my area, so it could have been. Yeah.
Yeah, that was you. I know.
Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, I do.
Can I see that, please? Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm going back to Richmond. I've been working at Haverty's. I work at Haverty's over there. They sent me over to Haverty's today.
Oh, okay. Man, they got you working some long hours.
Yeah, I've been working since 6 this morning. So
Okay.
I gotta drive back home to Richmond to my 5-month-old child.
Okay. Do you have any registration paperwork for the car?
Yes, I do.
And you said you haven't had any alcohol to drink today?
Nope. You
Okay.
can blow me, test me, not all that. Hey, I don't have no problem, no issue.
I don't know if you're just distracted on your phone or something like that.
Oh, no.
Okay. Gotcha. Mr. Is it Bethune?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait,
I'll be right back.
hold on.
With you,
Wait, that's the old one right there. This the new one right
yeah,
there.
that's the new one right
This the
there.
new one.
Take that one. Cool. I'll be right back with you, okay?
All right.
Taco Bell.
Yes, sir. Got hungry, man.
Say, looking at that makes me hungry too. Where'd you get tonight?
I got the number 13.
I don't even know. I don't have it memorized.
It's some good stuff, man. I was hungry, man. I started
Was
to
that
eat.
burrito or tacos or?
It's the cheesy burrito.
Okay.
Yeah.
That does
With
sound
the steak burrito.
Oh, yeah.
Cheese burrito with the cheese on top of the burrito melted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was hungry, man. I had no meat.
Silver Honda Civic hatchback.
I figured I'd get some to eat before I head back home, man.
Yeah.
It's a
You got a long drive?
An hour and a half drive back to Richmond, back
Oh,
to
wow.
the east end.
Okay.
Alright, folks, if I could remind you guys of anything, this one piece of advice would be to not talk to cops, especially when they're blatantly violating your rights. One of the most disgusting ways I think cops deceive and violate the rights of the people is by making them think that they are on their side, when really they are out to get them. Now, I don't want to say this about every cop out there on the street, because that would obviously sound biased, but let's remember that the 4th and 5th Amendment to the United States Constitution were written to protect us from various situations like this. Until you have committed a crime, you legally are not obligated to give cops your ID. Small talk such as this with cops is also completely unnecessary either way, especially during a traffic stop. This cop here says in a bit that it's been a busy night, which only makes me wonder how many people they go doing this to throughout their shift.
Yeah.
And I hear you say you're working over here?
Yeah, I was working over here. I work for Haverty's.
I'm sorry?
I work for Haverty's. Haverty's is furniture.
Okay.
Right over there in the parking lot where that wagon is at over there.
Okay. Gotcha.
Now, my boss called me yesterday, wanting me to come out here and work when somebody called out.
Gotcha.
So I came out here this morning. I got out here about 6 this morning. So I actually been
wow.
up since 5 o'clock this morning.
Man, you got a long day.
Yeah, I'm just ready to go home.
You got tomorrow off?
Nope. I might have to drive back up here tomorrow too,
Okay.
just in case if the boss made the dude don't show up for work.
Yeah. Man, I hope they're paying you well.
Yep, mileage paid, all that, a whole 9 yards.
Yeah. Well, as long as it's worth your time. That's a lot of driving though.
Well, man, I got a 5-month-old to take care of, man. You know, I don't do no dumb stuff. So, you know, I love my freedom.
Yeah.
I ain't the type of dude about here doing no burnout, speeding, drinking, driving, none of that stuff.
Oh, we appreciate that.
Yeah, I don't condone it. I caught one DUI 2012. One and done.
Yeah.
So I ain't gonna jeopardize my life like that ever again. So
Well, unfortunately, like even if it was just your own, you know, we all make dumb choices, you know, if it was just us. But unfortunately, with DUIs, as you, I'm sure you know, like it's
I already
everyone
know
else
it
out
costs
here
too much
that go-
money.
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with that crap anymore. I dealt with it 2012, and it was before they changed the law.
Yeah.
So now it's like you found like the cost of a car.
Yeah.
So I don't. I got too much to live for. I got my 5-month-old daughter at home.
Oh, nice.
My
Nice.
wife,
Congratulations.
yeah. So you know, I don't condone drinking and driving and doing dumb stuff. So I go straight home. If I'm gonna drink at home.
Yeah. There you go.
So
You didn't get your wife some food, did you?
she already ate.
Oh, I was gonna say I'd get in trouble if I didn't bring something home.
It's gonna be cold by the time they get back to Richmond.
have
So
to
ain't
have
no
that bag
point.
before- yeah, have that bag
Ain't
before
no
you go.
point. Ain't no point, man. Ain't no point.
You got the V8 or V6 in here?
V8.
V8. You like
Yeah.
it?
Oh yeah. I had a Camaro before I got this. I had a 2013 Camaro, the V6.
Yeah.
So it was time for upgrade. I knew I was gonna end up with a baby here soon, so
Yeah.
and it happened.
Yeah. You need a backseat thing, so.
Yeah. Yep. Y'all having a busy night? Y'all just chilling?
Yeah, it's been busy.
I noticed y'all when I seen him earlier tonight when I got out of work.
All right, Mr. Bethune, I
Yes, sir.
appreciate your patience. Here's your driver's license
Appreciate it.
registration.
Thank you.
I don't smell any alcohol. Talking to you, I don't think you're
I got plenty of sense.
So, that's just my biggest worry is people driving intoxicated on the road. So,
Yeah.
just warning for you today: drive home safe.
Oh, yeah.
You got a ways to go. Hopefully, you can stay awake.
Oh yeah, that's why I got something to eat.
I've done that drive. It is hard. It's just straight.
It's straight
and it's
and
dark,
one exit.
and you're just gonna fall asleep.
Hey, look, I just got back from Georgia a couple of days ago. I drove to Georgia, did a 17-hour drive in one day.
Yeah.
Drove and back in one day.
More power to you. I can't do it. So,
Yeah.
Any questions for me?
No, man, I'm just ready to go home.
You're good to go, man. Take care.
Appreciate you, man. Y'all have a good night.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right.
Hey, just out of curiosity.
You too, man. Thank
You
you.
can put that video on YouTube.
No,
I'd appreciate it if you're not. I won't put
I'm
mine
not.
on YouTube. All right.
I'm not. You know, I appreciate you.
You're free to record. It just
Yeah, I just.
it's just not needed, right?
I know. Yeah. All right, man. Y'all have a good one. Follow me. Motherfuckers will follow me the whole goddamn time. That's how I pull the fuck over. Fucking ridiculous ass motherfuckers. Only in Charlottesville, y'all. Only in motherfucking Charlottesville.
I want you guys to go ahead and let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. I think cops are getting away with this kind of stuff far too often because it is a 4th Amendment violation to obtain your ID if you have not committed a crime. And this guy here didn't commit so much as a traffic violation. Let's not forget that the 4th Amendment protects you from unlawful searches and seizures. It's also really interesting how the cop at the end of the video tells the driver not to post the video on YouTube. That only makes it look like this cop has something to hide. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution protects your right to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. As always, folks, the original video and channel links will be down below in the description, as well as in the comment section. If you guys appreciated this video, I want you all to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos. I'd like to thank you all once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.